Hey, it's that time again for Crochet Combat. And this month I'll be your host. So it's October. It's almost time for Halloween, and I am super stoked. So why don't we discuss it? So this is Crochet Combat, if you're familiar with it. It is being run by me and Maureen from My Crochet Story. And what you'll do is you'll follow the rules for the month. You will submit your entries to me at froggywentaknitting@gmail.com. You'll be making something, whether you want to make an amigurumi, a blanket, a shawl, gloves, whatever you want to do. It needs to be crocheted, knit, sewn, tatted, anything you want to make along those lines, according to the parameters, and submitted to me. We do not accept machine knitting. Also, anything small, small like coasters or something, limit it to 3 items, all in the same photo when you send them to me. And I want to say that, it is possible to make a blanket in a month. Don't send me the blanket within 2 days, because I know you don't make a blanket in 2 days. Just throwing that out there. But this is not sponsored by YouTube. It is solely sponsored by me for the month of October. And I will be throwing all of your entries in, whoever sends me an entry, I will be throwing you on a wheel and picking a winner and sending you a gift card. Hopefully it will be accepted, something for your country. Probably Amazon, since that's pretty much worldwide. And guess you want to know what you got to do for the month. Well, instead of limiting you to just Halloween items, I'm going to limit you to colors. So, for this month, you have the choice of using 1, 2, 3, or all of the colors in your project. So, the colors are going to be black, orange, purple, and green. I would like you to use those 4 colors in your project. Yes, that would be a lot of fun. Now, I don't want you to use any other colors. Now, if you use black, orange, green, and purple and add other colors to it, I'm fine. But I don't want black and pink. I don't want black and blue. I don't want green and pink. I want all 4 colors, and then you can add other colors. But there you go. Now, it's going to be a lot of fun to see what you guys come up with. You can make something out of green and orange, green and purple, green and black, purple and green, purple and orange, whatever you want to do. So that will be a whole lot of fun. Trying to make sure I'm covering all of my bases here. Definitely not sponsored by YouTube. It's going to be a virtual gift card, just to let you know. I will put together a slideshow of all of the entries, and that will be just after the end of the month. Everything must be submitted to me by midnight Eastern Standard Time, October 31st. Oh, yes. We want to get this done and get it over with so that November can start. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at froggywentaknitting@gmail.com. And of course, I have a Facebook group where you can also drop a comment, and I'll answer you there too. But I hope that this is going to be a very fun month. I can't wait to see with all these fun colors. It should be really cool. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget all the rules. There will be rules in the description box. And have at it. And hey, let's go engage in some combat. You guys have a great day. Bye now.